Okay, dare I say, this is the answer. I get it. I'm not trying to say anything we already don't know. I'm not saying anything new. I'm just saying, since we know this, why aren't we taking action? We know this. Excuse me, do we not know that they are using the divide and conquer? Okay, this is the biggest part of their strategy. Like, if we're serious about revolution, you have to know who the enemy is. Okay, you got to understand their methods. And right now, their obvious method that's right in front of our face is this. So, my point being is that if we want to actually fight against them, we have to unite. There is no other way. Do you understand? You know, this left and right fighting is bullshit. Okay. If you're down for that, if you're on the left and you hate the right, vice versa, you know, forget y'all. I'm sorry, you've been manipulated. This media, the whole purpose of it is to divide you and make you ignorant. That's the whole purpose of it. They're bullshitting about everything, obviously. Okay? Okay? So I plead to you people, left and right must unite. Do it now. And I'm asking you, especially Christians, like I've said, two things you can do. You can do it right now. Make a video and tell the liberals you love them. And buy one of my t-shirts. Wear it. Left and right must unite. You guys understand? I mean, am I telling you anything you don't know already? You know this. We have a common enemy. Just use different language, different vocabulary for it. Yes, they're fucking with us. Okay? Could we put it that way? Yeah, they're fucking with us, right? So, question is, are we gonna deal with it, or are we gonna do what we need to do? You guys understand how important this is? This is like the most important thing in the solar system right now. Dare I say galaxy. It's interdimensional, it's spiritual. Am I telling you anything that you don't already know? Okay, so to kick this off, what am I asking? I'm asking the Christians, particularly, okay? Reason I'm calling y'all out is because I think Jesus is right. Absolutely right. And I'm just, asking you to follow through on that. Right now, we need an expression of love for thy neighbor. You're letting this media fuck it all up. Don't let them do that. It's the devil. He's deceiving you clearly, right? So take action. There is nobody coming to save us. It's all right here already. Right here. What are you waiting for? Think about it. Liberals and Democrats, conservatives and Republicans get up every day and work together. How beautiful is that? Nobody gives a shit. Does it really matter? No, it don't matter. It's just an identity politics they're using against us. So, what we gonna do? I'm asking the right to react on the ground level, not through the media bullshit. All you gotta do, it could be called like the Love Movement Challenge, right? What's the challenge? The challenge is for the right to express love for the left. You have to do it. Okay, dare I say, this is the answer. What am I saying? I'm saying love is the answer. Absolutely. I know it sounds trite, but you guys gotta realize that shit they say in whatever religion you talk about, this is a powerful thing. You cannot underestimate that. Take it seriously. This is what all them be talking about. Look, we got heart frequency, we got mind frequency. That's our power. So it's crucial. Okay? You guys need to do this, please. I'm kind of like I say, I'm begging you. I'm gonna keep making videos like this until I get some response. Do it now.
The left and the right must unite.